have nothing better to do. I'm just gonna film during the snowstorm of 2026. Hey, I'm Sarah McCarter. I am here with my husband, my daughter, and I'm pregnant with our son at 27 and something weeks. Right now, the power's been out since 2 a.m. There's been tons of branches just falling on our house. We have a tin roof and it is so loud. We can hear all the branches falling and crashing outside, snapping. It sounded like gunshots from like 2 a.m. to 6 a.m., 7, something like that. It's crazy. We have our dog Lucy and our dog Zozo. Everybody was saying that this was going to happen. It was going to be crazy. And like, yeah, I believed them. So I stocked up on water and food and as much stuff as I could. Right now, we're going to eat some lunch. I cannot get my 2-year-old to eat. She hasn't been eating, all week or sleeping because of her teeth. I can get her to eat little bits of stuff. So her favorite thing right now is peanut butter. So I'm just going to mix it in with some banana and honey. And I'm going to put it on sourdough because that's what goes out first. And I have that much left. We have several more loaves of bread. Whatever. We have a propane heater. So, we're just waiting it out. I really wish we would have left. Okay, so I've got the banana. It's half a banana that she didn't eat. And we're just going to mash it up with peanut butter and honey. What she will probably do is just lick the peanut butter. We're against bread right now for some reason. Millie, are you eating your peanut butter, banana, and honey? At least peanut butter is a good source of protein. One little lantern that I finally found. I thought I lost it. We have another lantern and some candles and this little battery-powered lamp. Oh my gosh. All the baby naps and my husband cuts trees. I just packed our bags for whenever our rescue team gets here. That may be. I'm very thankful. And we are getting out of here today. 1,000%. I'm determined. So I'm just going to eat this advent calendar peelable candy to take a break. Packing is done. Except we got to pack all the food and the dogs up. I like the peach one, but I don't love the banana. Oh, and we barely have service. I want to be at my sister-in-law's house so bad. That's where I was supposed to be, but didn't end up going. I really like these. I think this may be grape, but we'll see. It looks purple, but then it looks like it has an orange tint, so. It's supposed to be peelable candies, but I think it's so cold that it's just not happening. Another banana, I'm not doing that. Banana? Where is 7? $24, let's see. Strawberry is number 24. Okay. All right, that's enough. I don't know if y'all can see me, but we escaped. Thanks to my neighbor, a family friend that has been so good to us for years, my dad and my husband and my father-in-law, not his husband. I have some friends that are still at their house. I don't think we'll be getting power anytime soon at our house, so basically we just won't be living there for quite a minute. I'll be staying with family. This is insane. Thank God we are somewhere that does have power now, and I'm closer to the hospital where I can get to my doctor's appointment on the 2nd. There's no way I could have gotten out of my driveway at all. especially in my car. I know I look so crazy. My dark circles are great. I had the worst insomnia last night. I'm really not sure what it was. I guess it's just a pregnancy thing. Who knows? I'm out of breath just talking. Jack is growing. Millie is having fun. We've been in a safe place for, I don't know, what is today? I have no idea. I think it's Wednesday since Sunday night. So that's a blessing. I feel so bad for everybody that is dealing with all of this tragedy. We are so blessed. We had a way out. There's been homes burning, people freezing to death, I'm pretty sure. There's people stranded on the interstate. People can't get propane. The roads are not accessible. Linemen are working their butts off. Nurses are going into work. I just cannot imagine.
This has got a little bit of powder in the top.
Grinch. Where's the Grinch? Grinch. The same spot. We went and finally got out after, I don't know, Sunday was the last day, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. 4 days we've been in the house, and like sometimes we don't leave the house, go outside on a normal day. We're potty training. We don't go out on a normal day, but like being trapped, it not being like your choice. At least we have power and all that. I feel for the people that do not. But like, I'm not in my house. I'm not in the comfort of my own home. I'm in somebody else's. I'm very comfortable here, but you know the difference. My goodness. Anyway, so it's like, oh, I just want to get out. And it felt so good to just get out and ride around on the farm, walk, and let her play in the snow semi, even though it's like really packed ice snow. It was great. Good morning. It is day 5 at my parents'. I woke up at 6 this morning. This would never happen at my house where I just get up, drink coffee. I actually love doing this. I love drinking coffee and getting a little bit done before the baby wakes up and just kind of having that time for myself to eat and relax and do whatever, drink my coffee, blah, blah, blah. We're going to fold some clothes, and then I guess I'm going to start on some more taxes, because that has been what I've been doing this whole time, is our business taxes for our construction company. I feel very, I don't know, like I got my crap together, and who doesn't like that? Here's our little small stack of laundry. Does anybody else absolutely hate folding or hanging jeans? Because I do. This is going to be such a great angle, but I don't have a tripod or anything here. And who cares? This is just the rawest form of me. I found this that I gave my dad. I think it might be a BrewMate, and I might steal it back because I don't think he ever uses it. It's in the cabinet where they keep all her old sippy cups. The straw's gone because my dad is extreme germaphobe, and he believes that straws cannot get perfectly clean. But whatever, you just get a straw brush and soak them in hot water and Dawn. If you want to go even further, you can soak them in vinegar water or straight up vinegar and then pop them in the dishwasher, and there we go. I am so out of breath. I'm getting so big. I'm 28 weeks today. Holy crap. I'm gonna have a kid soon. 2 kids. My goal is to have kid number 1 potty trained before kid number 2 gets here. I'm gonna get ready for the day and start on some tax work. OOTD, because I'm just a normie. It's a wrinkled shirt, but it's so soft. And a pair of leggings, because that's all we're gonna do, okay? Floss my teeth and brush our teeth. Just using my regular schmegular toothpaste. I'm gonna try that Smoker's toothpaste that people get. If it's worth it, I'll keep using it. If it costs a lot though, I'm not getting it. I switched to L'Oreal shampoo and I used to use Joico. I'm just over it. All right, I woke up at 4 a.m. It's 5 a.m. now. I've had my coffee. The only reason I'm up is because my nose would not stop bleeding, so I gave up. I'm exhausted. I really don't know how y'all people get up, whoever gets up at 5 a.m., 4 a.m., blah, 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 goes and works out, because I think I'd die right now. Now my nose is running, and I don't know if it's bleeding or running, so I have to check. I don't even know when to end this video. Like, I'm really not doing anything cool right now because I'm not in my house. I'm not doing anything productive besides taxes. And, I mean, if anybody wants to see how I do that, as somebody who honestly isn't good at Excel, I've kind of forgotten how to do things. I've been using Google Sheets. And honestly, I think Google Sheets is a tiny bit different. But anyway, it works for me. I'm the only one really looking at it to prepare all of our business taxes. See, that's just boring. Like, you don't want to hear that. I think my frontal lobe is fully developed now since turning 25 because my style has dramatically changed. And I think it has to do with nesting too. Like, I want to just get rid of everything in my house and start over. But I'm obsessed with everything chic. Like, I just love everything chic. So, yeah. But my taste has completely changed. Stuff that I would normally love, I'm like, that doesn't do anything for me. I've got an actual great idea for a canvas that I cannot wait to make with some oil pastels. I also have to get ready for 2 sales. I'm just rambling, you know? This is just the life. Oh my gosh. All right. Well, I think that's it for this video. I'm going to get this edited and posted. I'll probably keep making videos because it's my hobby right now. Kisses. As Millie would say, low.